Imagine this. Your company's AI system, designed to streamline customer service, suddenly starts making biased decisions, affecting thousands of clients. As news spreads, your stock plummets. Regulators launch investigations, and your reputation takes a massive hit. You're left wondering, how on earth did this happen? Where did we go wrong? And most importantly, how can we prevent this from ever occurring again? Stay with me as we uncover the critical steps to ensure your AI remains ethical and responsible. Today we're diving into a crucial topic in the world of technology leadership, and that is AI governance. This is based on insights from the IBM Institute for Business Values 2024 report called 6 Blind Spots Tech Leaders Must Reveal: How to Drive Growth in the Generative AI Era. That's a mouthful, but this study surveyed 2,500 C-suite technology leaders from around the world to gather a unique perspective on the challenges and opportunities in the new era of AI. While the report talked about 6 blind spots, our focus today is on blind spot number 4, which is we want it to be trustworthy, but our AI may be irresponsible. The report suggests that nearly 3 out of 4 CEOs believe that establishing and maintaining customer trust will have a greater impact on their organization's success than any specific product or service. What's more, 80% of CEOs say that transparency in their organization's use of next-gen technologies like Gen AI is critical for fostering that trust. But there appears to be a huge disconnect between what CEOs' perceptions are and the reality tech leaders are actually facing. Because while 65% of tech leaders claim to have governance in place for AI workflows, they admit they're falling short on key responsible AI practices such as explainability, transparency, fairness, and privacy. The truth is, responsible AI is no longer just a choice. It's a cultural imperative. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily operations, it exposes more of an organization's inner workings to stakeholders. And this increased visibility can be both an opportunity and a risk. Tech executives really need to consider and communicate the risks of scaling AI beyond just individual use cases to full-blown integration into employees' daily lives. With AI everywhere, the potential for misuse or exposure of confidential data increases significantly. But to address these challenges, tech leaders now need to adopt a new mindset on risk. A cautious wait-and-see approach will only result in missed opportunities and falling behind competitors. Instead, responsible tech leaders need to attack AI risks head-on, turning potential liabilities into differentiating advantages. The report outlines 3 key areas for action. Let's examine IBM's strategic recommendations for each area and then explore more specific actions that I suggest you consider to implement those strategies effectively. First, build bridges, not walls. Now, IBM recommends communicating openly about your values and approach to responsible AI development and deployment, being transparent about data collection practices and how you protect personal data, having clear lines of accountability and processes for supporting customers. Now, for my own actionable recommendations to help you implement IBM's strategies effectively within your organization, you should establish a cross-functional AI governance committee. And that includes representatives from tech, legal, ethics, and business units. This committee can oversee AI initiatives, ensuring alignment with organizational values and ethical standards. You should consider creating an AI transparency dashboard for stakeholders, showing how AI is used in different processes and its impact. Now, this real-time accessible tool can really build trust through your openness. And you should consider developing plain language AI explainers for customers and employees, demystifying your AI use. And these could include interactive tutorials, FAQ sections, and use case examples. Consider implementing a regular AI open house where stakeholders can learn about and interact with your AI systems in a controlled environment. This hands-on approach can really foster understanding and trust. You can create an AI ethics hotline where employees and customers can report concerns about AI usage, ensuring accountability and providing a channel for feedback. You could also develop a comprehensive AI communication strategy that includes regular updates on AI developments, success stories, and lessons learned. This proactive approach to communication can really help preempt concerns and showcase your commitment to responsible AI use. IBM's next recommendation is to be a champion of responsibility, and they suggest refocusing on the risks of scaling and AI drift, making technology a leading voice in responsibility and accountability, educating employees on AI ethics and responsible use, building a more diverse workforce to support development of unbiased data and models. Now, to further enhance these efforts, consider these specific steps. First, implement regular AI audits to detect and control drift in model performance and outputs. These audits should be conducted by an independent team, and the results should be transparently shared. Appoint an AI ethics officer to lead responsibility initiatives and advise on ethical considerations. And this role should have direct access to top management to ensure ethical considerations are part of strategic decisions. You can develop a comprehensive AI ethics curriculum for all your employees with role-specific advanced modules. And this curriculum should be regularly updated to reflect new developments and challenges in AI ethics. You can set concrete diversity targets for AI teams and implement mentorship programs to support underrepresented groups in tech. You can track and report on progress towards these targets regularly and establish an AI ethics review board that evaluates all major AI initiatives before implementation. And this board should include external experts to ensure objectivity and diverse perspectives. And create an AI responsibility index that measures and tracks your organization's performance on key ethical AI metrics over time. This can serve as a really powerful tool for continuous improvement and benchmarking. You can implement an AI ethics by design approach, where ethical considerations are built in to the AI development process from the very beginning, rather than being addressed as an afterthought. And this can involve creating ethical design principles and incorporating them into your development workflow. Now, third, IBM recommends to make AI risk your ally. And they suggest purposely positioning the organization to seize opportunities while others are chasing compliance. Consider engaging with local jurisdiction leaders and industry associations to advocate for AI regulations. Picking business partners with the right values and capabilities to deliver responsibly and effectively. To go beyond these recommendations and really make AI risk your ally, also consider these additional actions. First, develop an AI risk assessment framework that not only identifies risks, but also potential competitive advantages. This framework should be integrated into your strategic planning process. You should also consider creating an AI regulatory tracking system to stay ahead of emerging regulations and proactively adapt. This system should provide regular updates and analysis of regulatory trends across relevant jurisdictions. And you should consider establishing an AI partner evaluation scorecard that assesses not just technical capabilities, but also ethical practices and values alignment. Use this scorecard in all partner selection processes. You should consider implementing a series of AI risk opportunity workshops where teams will brainstorm how to turn potential AI risks into unique selling points or competitive advantages. For example, stringent data privacy measures could be marketed as a key differentiator in customer trust. You can also create an AI regulatory sandbox within your organization where you can safely experiment with different regulatory scenarios and their potential impact on your AI strategies. And this proactive approach can really help you stay ahead of regulatory changes and adapt a lot more quickly. You should consider establishing an AI ethics consortium with like-minded partners and competitors to collectively address industry-wide AI ethics challenges. And this collaborative approach can really help establish your organization as a thought leader in responsible AI use and contribute to shaping industry standards. You should consider developing an AI risk communication plan, and that will outline how you will communicate about AI-related risks and mitigation strategies to your different stakeholders. And this plan should include crisis communication protocols for potential AI-related incidents. Now, remember our scenario of an AI system going wrong at the start of the video? By implementing the strategies we've discussed, from establishing a cross-functional AI governance committee to creating an AI responsibility index, you're now equipped to prevent such crisis. Your AI systems are transparent, accountable, and aligned with ethical standards. Your company stands as a beacon of responsible AI use, earning trust from customers, regulators, and shareholders. This is the power of making AI ethics non-negotiable in your organization. Thanks for tuning in to this exploration of AI governance based on IBM's insights and our expanded recommendations. And of course, thanks to the good people at the IBM Institute for Business Value for sharing their insights with all of us. You'll find a link to download IBM's full report in the description below. And remember, the path to responsible AI may be challenging, but it's one that really offers immense opportunities for those that are willing to lead the way. I'll see you in another video.